Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Welcome into the channel, guys. Today in this recipe, I'm using ingredients that I have on hand already at the house. I did not want to go out to the store, so we're going to make do with what we have. Here in this pot, you see me adding a little bit of olive oil to go ahead and get my bacon fried up. I'm using turkey bacon. So the olive oil helps a little bit to not have it so dry. You know, turkey bacon can be really dry. I'm adding some butter to it. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions to saute them down. My bacon is getting a little bit crisp, the way that I want it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic. And I'm simply sauteing just long enough to soften up my onions and my garlic. Now here I'm adding in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, gradually adding it in. And this is going to help to thicken the base of our chowder, so you do not want to skip this step. Be sure and add in the flour. Now that I've got my flour added in there, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my chicken broth. And I'm using about 5 cups, one whole container here, and then another container that I had a little bit of broth left in from prior use. I'm using that, so that comes to about 5 cups total. Now as you're pouring up your chicken base or your chicken broth, you want to go ahead and stir, whisk it in to remove the lumps. I'm now letting my mixture come to a boil, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my seasonings. Adding in my bay leaf. Adding in my potatoes and my corn. I'm tasting here to see what I need to add in, and I decided to go ahead and add in some red pepper flakes. And now I'm going to go in and add my whole milk and cream mixture. Get that fully incorporated. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of my cheddar cheese. I have my burner on a low heat. And now I'm going to go in and add my honey. Now remember, I said that I'm using what I have on hand here at the house. So I'm adding in a can of yellow corn just to give it some color. And I tasted it and decided that I needed to add a little bit more honey, so I'm adding that in now. I let it simmer uncovered until it thickened up. And this is our finished result. This chowder certainly hits the spot for these cold winter days that we are in now. So go ahead and make you some. Thanks for watching, guys. Shalom.